In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page names on Weebly. Whether you're revamping your website or simply wanting to make a few tweaks, updating your page names is a straightforward process that can help enhance the clarity and appeal of your site to visitors. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to be on your Weebly site editor. If you're not there already, go ahead and log into your Weebly account and select the website you wish to edit. Once you've done this, you'll notice a menu bar running across the top of the editor interface. You'll want to find the tab labeled Pages up there and give it a click. This tab is your gateway to viewing and managing all the various pages you've created on your Weebly site. Upon opening the Pages tab, you should see a list displayed in front of you. This list contains all the pages currently set up on your website. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific page whose name you wish to change. This might appear pretty straightforward, but if you have many pages, scanning through them carefully is a good practice to ensure you're modifying the correct one. Once you've identified the page you want to modify, click on it to open its settings. Here, you'll be greeted with a variety of options that relate to that specific page. The one we're focusing on today is the page name itself. You'll notice a text box designated for the name of the page. Simply place your cursor inside this text box and start typing the new name that you'd like to apply. This is your opportunity to make your page title as clear, descriptive, and engaging as you possibly can. A well-chosen page name not only helps visitors navigate your site more intuitively, but can also enhance your site's search engine visibility. So whether it's a small tweak or a complete overhaul, make sure your new name is in line with the purpose and tone of your page content. After you've settled on the new name that perfectly fits your page, Weebly will seamlessly integrate it across your site. The updated title will automatically reflect on the navigation bar of your website as well. This ensures that your site visitors will always have the most accurate and updated information available as they explore your pages. And that's it. With just these simple steps, you've successfully updated your page name on your Weebly site. It's a quick process, but it can make a significant difference in creating a polished and user-friendly web experience. Thanks for following along today, and happy editing.